How is that pre-seasoned food tasting now? Yummy, right? Good. Sometimes the food that you're about to cook with already comes pre-seasoned. The meat has been salted already, or the flavors have been added. And you're going to mix that with other foods. And for that, if you also season those other foods together and mix them, it's going to taste super salty. It's not going to taste good. So, what do I mean by this? Sometimes you get to an environment and the light over there is beautiful. Sunset, you get to a hotel and the lights are all warm with chandeliers and everything, and you really like that light and you want to capture that. But when you take a picture of your subject appears extra warmer. It's not the right skin tone that you're looking for. The only way that you fix that is by going the opposite direction of the light that falls on your subject. So, this is what you do. You take your white balance and then you exaggerate the light that already exists. So, that is the ambient light that you have. You go above the 5,000 to make it extra warmer. And then you take a flash and then you put a gel on it. The opposite of the warm light is the cold light. So you take a blue gel and you put it on top of your flash, put it in your softbox, and then light your subject with that cold light. By doing that, the cold and the warmth cancels each other out, therefore rendering the skin tone of your subject exactly as they are. Of course, you have to measure it. I mean, you're cooking after all, right? So measure that and get the right tone. Now, the reason why we exaggerate the warm light in the room is simply because sometimes the flash that you have is going to spill around the room and it's also going to damp it down a little bit. So you exaggerate the warmth in the original light and then the flash that you have cools it down, balances each other out. You get right skin tone, you maintain the ambience that you had in the room, and your picture is exactly as you want. You didn't fix it in post. Remember, no post seasoning. Pre season is what we want. All right. Thank you.